Welcome, Thrivers! Whether you're new to minimalism or looking to refine your journey, Quit Clutter offers inspiration and guidance for everyone. Join us if you're ready to quit clutter and organize, optimize, and thrive in your life. Welcome to Tiny Triumphs, Quit Clutter. This is our cell phone edition. Each day we will spotlight the triumph of the day with this frame. This series is designed to be decluttering that we can do together. Each of these videos should be about 10 minutes long and walk you through the steps and mindset of various decluttering activities. The word challenge implies struggle and starts off with a negative mindset. Instead, we are going to triumph over small changes that will build up over time. We are going to organize, optimize, and thrive with our tiny triumphs. If you need a body double to help you get going, let's get started. The most important tool for decluttering is our mindset. Decide if you are going to complete a time period or a task. The task may take longer than this video, so it's important to first decide on your criteria for success. Also, think about the benefits you will enjoy when we're done.
If you haven't seen it yet, check out this video about the impact your digital footprint has on the environment. So many things we never considered, it's scary. Today we are tidying our personal email accounts. This may be on your phone, or it might be easier to manage on your computer. Some of the benefits include fewer distractions, fewer notifications, and decreasing our carbon footprint. Decide if you are going to complete a set amount of time. I will work for 10 minutes on a timer, or I will work for the length of the video. Unlike previous triumphs, I would not suggest the end of the task for emails. It never ends. With your commitment in mind, take a deep breath in while you think about your "I will" statement, and again repeat it when you exhale. Repeat this 2 more times. 3. Deep breaths helps to calm your brainstem and allow you to focus. If anxiety creeps in while you're working, just pause and take 3 more deep breaths. Okay, now we're ready to triumph. The only tools we need to get started on decluttering our email is something to write with and a notepad. We want to track our progress. Plus, if something needs follow-up, you can jot it down and stay focused on decluttering. At the end, we'll either tackle those follow-ups or create a reminder. Let's set an intention about email, like we did in the Tiny Triumph Apps video. For each sender, I am going to ask myself, is this email also documented somewhere else, like on the website or in a text? Which alert form, text, email, website, download, etc., is the one that I want to keep? What are the patterns in emails? What system am I using to track important emails for follow-up? Does thinking about unsubscribing from this email give me fear of missing out? FOMO? What do I lose or give up by unsubscribing? Is that a good thing? Fewer notifications. Or a bad thing? Missing a sale? Don't get distracted by the email content. We're deleting emails, not using them. Now, because I don't want to dox myself or anyone else, I am not going to use any actual footage from my emails. I will talk through the process with some relevant screenshots. I am going to start with my Yahoo email because it is the oldest, circa 2000, and the most neglected. I also really like Yahoo's search functions. A couple of weeks ago, I was monitoring my garage sale and needed some mindless work to do for several hours. So I did a huge purge on my Yahoo email. I deleted about 9,000 emails. I still have 18,982 emails total, with 16,750 being unread emails on Yahoo. Let's go. The email decluttering process is all about strategy. 1. I wanted to identify high-volume senders. 2. I want to determine if I need to keep receiving emails from them. 3. I want to modify subscriptions right now while staying focused on email. 4. I want to consider whether I still need to keep certain emails, and for what reason. Before doing any searches, check your settings for the inbox type. When I did the previous decluttering, I failed to notice that I was only searching in the priority inbox and not the total inbox. My Gmail account is set up for default, and I am going to turn off inbox categories for Yahoo. I am also going to turn off breaking news because I get that from multiple sources. I am also turning off package notifications because I already get them from USPS, FedEx, and UPS. First, sort by newest on top. Right off the bat, I can see that I have 2 emails from Amazon. If I hover the cursor near the star, A magnifying glass icon comes up, and I am going to click on that. It is going to sort out only that exact email address. This is a great tool and better than keyword searches because it won't accidentally pick up other emails with the same words. In Gmail, you can do a similar search by right-clicking and scrolling down to find email from. For Amazon, I only have 6 emails because I deleted them all in the purge 2 weeks ago. Still, I am left with the question of, is this duplicated somewhere else? I am going to go to my Amazon account. If you don't have an Amazon account, you can still follow along for the thought process. Go to your account and scroll down to Communication and Content. There are several worth decluttering at the same time. Email subscriptions, communication preferences, shipment updates via text, Alexa shopping notifications, and deal notifications. Let's ignore the others for now. Email subscriptions. This is a good change to ask about FOMO. Do I read these newsletters? I only have one for the Alexa newsletter, but I never read it, so I am going to turn it off. Don't even look at browsing all possible subscriptions. Back button to the menu. I'm going to skip advertising for now and go to Communications Preferences and expand each of the dropdowns. I have set mail preferences to Do not send me marketing information by mail. General settings is just a formatting question. And then under Promotional Emails, there is a lengthy list, and down at the bottom is a quick opt-out. Back button to the menu. I do want to get shipment updates via text because that is where I am actually going to see it. Alexa notifications. Now this is something that I've been wanting to update. How many times does the notification light come on and it's for some ridiculous thing that I don't care about? We're going to update this for fewer disruptions. I'm turning off everything except for delivery and reorder. BTW. If that set off your Alexa and you want to change that, search for Change Alexa Wake. Danger Will Robinson. Okay, that was a bit of time away from actual emails, but hopefully these actions will cut down on the number of unread emails in your inbox. Next time you do a purging session, you may go back and make further adjustments. My next email is a political fundraiser. I'm going to search and click on the first email. I'm going to scroll down a little bit and click on unsubscribe. Sometimes that works, and sometimes you have to scroll to the bottom of the email to unsubscribe. Then I am going to select all, delete, and go back to the inbox. As you are grouping and reviewing emails from a sender, consider the frequency of the emails. If there are some that you really want to keep, but they are sending emails 5 days a week, there may be an option to reduce the frequency on that subscription. Another thing to really consider with sales solicitations is this. Would you buy this product if it wasn't on sale? What is the frequency that you buy from this vendor? Is it comparable to the frequency of the emails? Is this a purchase that I would only make if it is on sale? Does this email change my shopping habits for the better or for the worse? Or not at all? When I am deleting 100 emails from a vendor that I haven't shopped in more than 2 years, it is worth unsubscribing from emails even if I intend to maintain the account. You can always get a new discount by signing up for emails when you are ready to make a purchase in the future. I am going to pause and do a quick 5-minute burst and see how much I can delete using these strategies. Well, that was productive. I was able to delete 89 emails, unsubscribe from several mailing lists, and wrapped up with updating my PayPal notifications. Another shortcut that I forgot about in Yahoo Mail is that you can right-click on the line and unsubscribe without opening the email, if you are able to unsubscribe by the email address in the email. You may find after a successful decluttering session that you want to keep going. That is perfectly fine. If you tend to lose yourself in an activity, you might want to set a timer or a reminder to mindfully check in with yourself about stopping or continuing. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. I am also going to set a repeating reminder to declutter email every other week on Friday, and I'm going to set up a reminder for work email on the Fridays in between. These reminders don't mean that I cannot do it sooner, but at least you'll make sure you've been doing it this often. Side tiny triumph. When you find yourself watching the clock at the end of the day at work, you can always do a burst of decluttering to make the time go faster. Congratulations on completing day 5. Let's get started with our phone or PC contacts on day 6. Congratulations, you did it. You have less clutter. Stay tuned, vid. We have more tiny triumphs coming daily until the week is finished. YouTube thinks you'll like this video. The playlist for this Tiny Triumph series is also linked above. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on decluttering, personal growth, and moderate minimalism. Wow, Thrivers! We accomplished a lot today. Thanks for watching, and share your tiny triumph from today's session in the comments section below. Embark on this journey with us to decluttering together in order to organize, optimize, and thrive with Quit Clutter. See you in the next video, Thrivers!